Hello everybody and welcome to this week's 10-minute tune-up, mental reset. This 10-minute tune-up is inspired by the past couple weeks of working on a really big project that I've experienced. And I've been finding myself getting very overwhelmed by the size of the project, and I've been having a hard time breaking it up into smaller bite-sized pieces so that I can actually make progress and move forward. And I realized in getting caught up in my head that I needed a mental reset. And the best way I know how to do that is actually to get out of that thinking mode and into my body more. It helps me to relax, to break that habit loop of just thinking over and over and over, how am I going to do this? What am I going to do? And it helps me to get into more of a feeling place so that I can relax and then come back to the project with fresh eyes, fresh start. So that's what we're going to do together today. All right, I'm going to move my chair back a little bit. We're going to do most of this work today standing. All right, so start by just coming to an easy standing position. And we're just going to begin by marching. Big march or a little march, whatever works for you. Start to notice the way that the body is feeling as you're moving. Begin to deepen your breath. And as you're marching, I invite you to start to add a little bit of a swing to your arms. Just a natural swing. Opposite arm and opposite leg move forward, and maybe you can make that swing a little bit bigger. Keep your breath going. Stand tall as you march. Just a few more deep breaths here. Good. All right, let's pause here, ground both of the feet, and we're going to roll the shoulders in backward circles. Close your eyes. The whole idea here is to not think, just feel. Feel the shoulders moving through space. Feel your muscles. Notice any sort of tension that you might be feeling. Notice what it feels like through the chest, through the upper back. All right, now we're going to do forward rolls with the shoulders. Big rolls. Keep breathing. Really exaggerate that movement. Good. All right, pause here, make a gentle fist, roll out the wrists. I'm going to close my eyes. I invite you to do the same. Really feel those wrist joints, change the direction of your wrist roll. Keep the breath going. Change the direction of your wrist roll again. And then one more time, other direction. All right, open up those eyes if they were closed and just start to shake your wrists. And we're gonna let the hands fall down towards the floor, keep shaking and then reach them up. And we're gonna link this to the breath. Inhale as you reach your arms up. Exhale as you reach your arms down. A few more like this. Breathing in and out of the nose if possible. Inhale and exhale. Just shake it off. Let it go. I'm also letting my eyes follow my hands. My eyes are going up, going down. Let's do two more. Good. All right. Pause here. Just close your eyes. Notice the sensations in your wrists, your hands, your forearms. Notice the circulation may have picked up a little bit. Maybe your heart rate's a little faster. Maybe you feel a little bit of heat in your body. Stay present with those physical sensations. Breathe deeply in and out of the nose. Good. Okay, open up your eyes. Don't overthink this. We're just going to start to swing the arms, kind of the way we were doing in our march in the beginning of class. And then we'll invite a little bit of coordination challenge. Okay, so option one, just keep swinging the arms side to side. Option 2, you're going to move those arms in a full circle. Just pick a direction and go with it. So one arm is circling forward, the other arm is circling backwards. So we're really having to use our body. All right, now the challenge is changing directions. Here we go. Go the other way. Again, feel free just to swing out of your head into your body. Just let the arms flow, big circles. Okay, pause the circles, just go back to the swing and really exaggerate the swing. Let the whole body twist. So my spine is getting some rotation. I'm adding a little bend to my knee as I go from side to side. Couple more. All right, and then pause those arm swings. Just let the arms relax, let the shoulders drop. Close your eyes and breathe. Notice what you're feeling through your shoulders, your chest, the upper back. Once again, notice the heart rate. You might even be able to sense your heartbeat, sense your pulse points at the wrists. Breathe. Take a few more moments here, feeling the body. Notice any little sensations underneath the skin. Good. All right, very nice. Open up your eyes, reach those arms up, and bring the hands behind the head. We're going to take it from side to side here. Keep your head pushing back into your hands. Try not to round the spine. The chest is really lifted. Big, full, deep breaths. And often in yoga, we're thinking about specific alignment or moving into a specific shape. And I invite you just to let that go. Just get into your body. Move from side to side. Move the spine. All right, and pause at the top. Good. We're going to keep the hands here and do a twist. Okay, and once again, I encourage you to make this your own. Maybe your twist is nice and slow, like I'm showing here. Maybe it would feel nice for you to move a little bit faster. Do what feels interesting in your body. We're getting out of our head, into the body. You can try closing your eyes here or keeping them open. Let's do a couple more breaths in this rotation, side to side. All right, pause in the center. Interlace those fingers, reach the palms straight up towards the ceiling, get really tall, big breath in, and exhale, let it out. All right, we're gonna do a breathing practice. Very simple. You're going to inhale through the nose and you're gonna exhale through your mouth. We call this horse lips breathing, the way that a horse vibrates its lips together. All right, so don't overthink it. Big breath in through your nose. Complete exhalation. We're gonna add an arm movement to that. Here we go, inhale. Two more. Last one. Pause again in mountain pose. Relax. Notice the sensations around the jaw, the mouth, the eyes. Practice staying present with the physical sensations in your body, out of your head, into your body. Good. Okay, open up your eyes, grab your chair, take a seat. Sit tall. The last thing we're going to do is just very gently take your hands and your palms and just cup them over the eyes. Ground the feet, lift up tall through the spine, and we're going to take about 5 to 8 breaths here. Let the eyes rest. Out of your head, into your body, and now start to move the attention back into the sensation of the breath, and just notice the mind. Begin to cultivate a gentle focus within your mind's eye. Keep the eyes closed. Start to lower your palms down into your lap. And slowly open up your eyes. Good. All right. I hope you enjoyed today's 10-minute tune-up, mental reset. Revisit it anytime you need a little bit of help focusing your attention and getting out of your head back into your body as a means to help you focus. All right. Have a great day.